It is Tuesday, and I am at a doctor's appointment this morning because I am going to see a genetic counselor. I do show either of the BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene mutations, then it is recommended that I have my ovaries taken out. I'm not quite sure about the complete hysterectomy part. I think it's just the ovaries. But you know, this is why I'm here, to find out about it, what the process is, all of those things. So got to stay on top of my health. So there is no gym this morning. I've got my trainer sending me a workout, so I will hopefully be getting that done later. So stay tuned, guys. Hi guys, so I'm done with my appointment at the breast center. It was very interesting. It was very informative. I did decide to go ahead and do the test, so they withdrew blood from me today. Got my little band-aid on my arm here, and it should take about 2 weeks to get the result. Kind of a thing hanging over my head for a while, even though I do not think that, I don't know, I just feel like I probably don't carry either of those gene mutations. But you know, you never know. You just don't, and I don't want to leave stuff up to chance. So 2 weeks and I should have my answer, and we'll proceed from there.
So today's been super busy. I dropped the kids off this morning, went to an appointment, grabbed lunch, came back into town, grabbed a coffee, went to pick up the children. I still have errands to run after I pick up the kids, and tonight is Girl Scouts. So freaking tired. I'm having a day, y'all. I need to clone myself. I need an assistant. I need a nanny. I need a cook. I need all these people to do these things for me because there's not enough hours in the day.
Is she in your bed? She won't get out? She won't get out of your bed? Good Thursday morning, everybody. I can't believe it's Thursday already. It's been a very busy week. There's been a lot of doctor's appointments this week and a lot of things that I had to schedule and do, and those things kept me away from the gym, which I don't like because then like everything's thrown off. So today is my first day back after a couple days off, and I did strength. We did, today was arms and chest, upper body basically, and I did cardio, and my arms are all googly, so it's hard to hold up the phone now. They're all googly, but that's good because that means things are growing, things are changing, and I'm all about growth and change, so let's bring it on. To Target this morning before I head to my massage appointment. Gotta pick up a couple things, and I'd rather do it now than when I pick up kids. Morning, guys. Happy Friday. I am not going to the gym this morning. I will be going later this morning. I have a massage appointment because I have back issues, shoulder issues, neck issues. So I am going to get those worked on this morning. After that, I will be heading to the gym to get my cardio in for today. And then I have some more errands to run, but I will be getting my workout in today. Cardio only today because everything else is sore. Yesterday's arm workout was really good. My triceps are still really sore this morning. That's good. So gonna run in here, get these things picked up, and then off to my appointment. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday. I just came out of the gym. I did not quite an hour. I did just under an hour. And then I looked at the clock and I'm like, so much stuff to do. So if I want to get my last shopping trip done before I have to go get my kids, no, that's terrible, right? I would rather, I swear, taking kids to the store. No. So I am headed to the store to grab a few essentials, and then it is to pick the kids up because it's Friday. I feel good about the fact that I got in here today when I very easily could have went, you know what, I have too much stuff to do. I have too much stuff to do. But you've got to make it a priority. I'm out of breath. I'm so tired and I'm so sweaty. Sweat is good. It's fat crying, people. It is.
Hi guys, happy Sunday. You probably hear a lot of noise in the background. I got my washer spinning down, kids are playing video games, the bird is squawking. Sunday.